It's 2026. Players have more information than ever. More videos, more forums, more experts. Yet the same myths are still emptying bankrolls every day. And myth number one? It might be the most expensive belief in Baccarat. Here's the scary part. Most Baccarat myths don't sound stupid. They sound smart, logical, experienced. That's why they survive. Players hear them, repeat them, then build entire sessions around them. Today, we're breaking down the 3 biggest Baccarat myths still costing players money in 2026. And if you've been playing for a while, you've probably believed at least one. Myth number 1. It's due. You've heard this before. Banker hits 6 times, 7 times, maybe even 8. Someone at the table says, player is due. Sounds reasonable. Except there's one problem. The cards don't know what happened before. The game has no memory, but your brain does. And that's where players get trapped. The longer a streak lasts, the more uncomfortable it feels. So players stop following probability and start betting against discomfort. That's expensive, because being uncomfortable doesn't make you right. Myth number 2. Winning means you're reading the table. This one destroys players, because it usually starts with success. You win a few hands, then a few more. Now everything feels clear. The table feels predictable. You start trusting yourself more, increasing bets, taking risks, feeling locked in. But here's the truth. Winning does not prove understanding. It proves one thing. You won. That's it. The danger starts when confidence grows faster than discipline. And in Baccarat, that happens all the time. Myth number 3. The roadmap tells you what's next. This myth is everywhere in 2026. Roadmaps, bead plates, patterns. Players stare at them for hours, looking for signals, looking for answers, looking for certainty. But roadmaps only tell you one thing: what already happened. That's it. And the moment you start treating them like predictions, you're no longer reading the game. You're reading your own expectations. That's when mistakes start piling up. Here's what makes these myths so dangerous. They work sometimes. That's why people believe them. Not because they're true, because they're occasionally right. And that's a huge difference. A bad idea that works once can be more dangerous than a bad idea that fails immediately, because now you trust it. You build confidence around it. You defend it. And before long, the myth becomes part of your game. In 2026, the biggest Baccarat advantage isn't a system. It's knowing which beliefs to ignore. Remember, nothing is due. Winning doesn't prove you're right, and roadmaps don't predict the future. If one of these myths surprised you, comment, "Myth busted," and let me know which one you've seen the most at the table. Because the fastest way to improve at Baccarat isn't learning new tricks, it's stopping old mistakes.